Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Duo security push authentication for remote users. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Duo security push authentication for remote users, begin by logging into the Duo admin panel. Navigate to the Users section on the left sidebar. Click on Add User if you are adding a new remote user. If the user already exists, search for their name in the search bar. Select the user from the list. Next, ensure the user's device is enrolled in Duo Mobile. Instruct the user to download the Duo Mobile app on their smartphone. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to enroll their device. Back in the Duo admin panel, scroll to the Authentication Methods section. Ensure the Duo push is enabled for the user. You can review and adjust the authentication methods by clicking Edit. Save any changes made to the user's authentication settings. Inform the user that they will receive a Duo push notification when attempting to log in. Ensure they understand how to respond to the push notification. Test the setup by having the user attempt to log in remotely. Monitor the login attempt in the Duo admin panel under Authentication Logs. Confirm that the user successfully authenticated using Duo push. If issues arise, troubleshoot by checking the user's device settings or re-enrolling them. Once everything is confirmed working, congratulate the user on their successful setup. This concludes the authorization process for Duo security push authentication for remote users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.